To make a silicone mold, first mix 10 parts water and 1 part liquid soap in a large bowl. Then, squeeze enough 100% construction silicone into the bowl to cover the item you want to make a mold of. Put on latex gloves and knead the silicone in the water until it's no longer sticky, about 5 minutes. Now, roll the silicone into a ball and press it into a thick disc on a hard surface. Press your item face down into the silicone. Then let the silicone harden for a few hours. Finally, remove the item from the mold. Use your mold to make clay or resin decorations. Construction silicone isn't food safe, so avoid using your mold for cooking or baking.